As you can see, I'm trying something different today. So I need all the resellers to go ahead and soak this in. Straight to feet. No resell. Personal cops only. But yeah, like I was saying, I'm trying something different today. I want to give you guys an on-foot video. So, in the comments, I need you to either drop a yes or a no. Drop the yes if you like this style of on foot, where I do like a separate video, or just drop a no if you would rather have it in one long video with the unboxing, the review, and then the on foot portion. But personally, I think I might stick with the separate video, but y'all let me know what you think. So let's go ahead and get into it. You can see the right shoe did the lace swap with the blue laces. I mean, it's cool, but I would personally leave the green laces in there. Here you go with the blue. Now just do a pair of jeans on, nothing crazy. Just so you can see how they look. And then of course, the left foot, still factory lace with the green, which I think is the better option of the two. But like I said, man, it's your preference. Do whatever you want with the laces. I'm just telling you what I would do. This is definitely a crazy pair of shoes, man. Definitely gonna be eye catchers when you wear them. Conversation starters for sure. And in my experience, if you're wearing like a shoe that's been hyped up like this, a lot of people, they're starting to get bold now. They're gonna ask you right off the bat, are they real? Which is crazy to me. I remember when I was still working at Finish Line, when the Pirate Black Yeezys came out, the V1s. I was helping, I guess he was like 15 or something. So I guess I give him a pass. But like, I'm helping him out. He was like, hey bro, I like your Yeezys, man, are they real? I just looked at him like, I can't believe you're really asking me that, bro. But I mean, I guess I understand. A lot of people, well, of that age, at that time, they really weren't they didn't have access to a lot of these black belt sneakers. But now, what is it, like, it's been 6 years, I think, since that happened. Oh no, they came out in 2015, so 5 years. 5 years later, all these bots and everything. So I guess the teenagers now coming up, they have a lot more access to the hype players. So it should be a different conversation now, but who knows? But yeah, man, I definitely fall in love with these shoes more and more each time I see them. Even when I watch like other YouTubers do reviews on them. Hey, shout out to Sniper Jones. I just watched his joints the other day. He I don't think he didn't pick up a personal pair. I guess somebody he knows ended up getting like a size 11, so he reviewed it. But like, I agree with what he said in the video. I don't think they're worth $1,400 personally, but for the retail, of course, like all day. But I wouldn't pay $1,400 for these. But if you have paid $14 or you're thinking about it, I mean, hey, that's your bread. Do what you want. She's trying to give you a better visual of how they will look on your feet whenever you pull that trigger, man. For the $1,400, that's for the size 12. So if you're not a size 12, the prices will vary, of course. But yeah, a little quick on foot joint, man. So like I said, leave a yes down in the comments below if you want to see more of these, or like I said, just say no if you want to keep it one long video. So if you're watching this video, if you haven't done so already, man, go ahead and like my review, my unboxing, comment on that joint, subscribe first and foremost. And then on this one, man, just share it. Because I don't think a lot of people are doing the on foot with this particular shoe because the resale value is so crazy. So yeah, I'm just trying to keep growing, man. Go ahead, spam that like button. Like I said, subscribe. I cannot stress that enough. We're on the road to 200. We're getting there. Each day we're getting closer to that goal, man. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.